In this set, we'll be having next set of MCQ questions for informative practices. Let's see the question. Code, the code given below. So we have import pandas as PD. Next, we have the list by the name NM having 3 values like Raman, Baman, Taman. Grade 5 and 6 and 4, creating series and printing the series. Creating series and printing the series. So let us see the content one by one. If we talk about this, then in this case, the names are coming before like index. So that is not possible. Let's talk about the C part. In the case of C, we have the data type given as object, but the index is coming as 0, 1, 2, which is again not possible because over here, the index given as 5 and 6 and 4, which is given in option number B as well as in option number A. The problem with option number A is int 64. The values are given in the form of string. So the correct answer is answer B. Let us see the question number 7 now. First 5 questions were there in video 1. Once again, we are supposed to find the output. Let us check the program. Import pandas. List having values. Another list having numeric values. Creating a series with grade followed by name. With grade followed by name. So grade will come as a data and name will come as a value. Let us see. Now, if I talk about option number A. Option number A is giving me object. Not possible because the value is coming in the form of an integer here. Object, once again, not possible. So now at 2 places we have the value as data. Now difference in between the B and the C part is the values given here. The values initialized for index are 5, 6 and 4. While the values given at this place are 0 and 1 and 2. So my correct answer is answer number B. Let us check the next question now. The next question is, we have to select the appropriate code for the output given. We have to select the appropriate code for the output given. Let us evaluate the output. The output is coming showing the data type of object. So we have science, commerce and humanities. The index given as 0 and 1 and 2. The index given as 0, 1, 2, which is by default. In no option, any other index is given. So now the time to think more. Let us talk about option number A. We don't have anything like index is equal to LA because we can't initialize index with the values given in the series. So that goes wrong. Let us check the next one. The problem is the S of series is small, which should be capital. Now it is capital in the case of C and capital in the case of D. But in D, we have one problem, that is type is equal to object. Nothing like that. So the correct answer is answer number C, in which I am having series S as capital and rest of the things are also matching as per the output. Let us see number 9 now. The output is range index start value 0, stop value 3 means it will go till 2 and the step value as 1. Step value as 1. So let us see. First and foremost, we should try to find the syntax errors given in the options available. So index I is capital, which is wrong. Once again, series S is small, which is wrong. Over here, unnecessary equal to is given, which is not required. The correct answer available to us is number D. The last question in the same video. The output is something like 1 commerce, 2 humanities, and that too with the type of an object. 1 commerce, 2 humanities. So if I am having a series like science, commerce, humanities and arts, so one commerce, two humanities. These two we are supposed to pick. Now the problem is that in all four cases we have commerce and humanities given at the appropriate same place. Now let us see the place where we can pick 1 and 2. Where we can pick 1 and 2. So let's talk about first and foremost option number A. So option number A and B are having a difference in the form of the values given. If we talk about the count of values, so here there are 4 values, but here the value count is coming 3. So this goes waste. If you talk about the last one, RN and LA are given in reverse order. So let us see the correct one. The correct option available to us was number C. So these were the 5 questions in this video. Very soon, the next set of 5 questions will be released. Thank you for watching.